Wireframing in Figma involves creating low-fidelity representations of your design ideas to outline the structure and layout of your digital product. Here's how to wireframe in Figma. Start with frames. Begin by creating frames on a Figma canvas to represent different screens or pages of your digital product. Frames act as containers for your wireframe elements. Basic shapes and text. Use basic shapes and text tools to sketch out the main elements of your interface, such as headers, navigation bars, content sections, and buttons. Focus on structure. Prioritize organizing the layout and structure of your wireframe to convey the hierarchy of information and functionality. Use placeholders for content and images. Keep it simple. Keep your wireframe simple and focus on conveying the essential elements of your design. Avoid adding detailed styling or visual flourishes at this stage. Use components and templates. Leverage Figma's component library or wireframe templates to speed up your wireframing process and maintain consistency across screens. Iterate and refine. Iterate on your wireframes based on feedback and testing. Refine the layout, hierarchy, and interactions as needed to ensure clarity and usability. Share and collaborate. Share your wireframes with stakeholders or team members for review and feedback. Use Figma's commenting and collaboration features to facilitate communication and collaboration.